With road incidents happening every day, having the right dash camera can mean the difference between a simple insurance claim and a costly legal battle. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best car dash cameras that'll protect you on every drive, capturing crystal clear footage when you need it most. Mention affiliate links in description. Number 5. Acceo 4K UHD Dash Cam. This budget-friendly option delivers impressive 4K recording quality without breaking the bank. It features Sony IMX415 imaging sensor with 1200 megapixels, ensuring sharp and detailed footage even in challenging lighting conditions. The dual lens setup provides comprehensive coverage with both front and rear cameras working simultaneously. What sets this apart is its 24-hour parking monitoring feature. Even when your car is parked, it stays vigilant, automatically recording any incidents around your vehicle. The built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to instantly review footage on your smartphone through the dedicated app. Night vision capabilities ensure clear recording during nighttime drives, while the 170-degree wide-angle lens captures more of the road ahead. Number 4. REDTIGER Front and Rear 4K Dash Cam. This system stands out with its Sony IMX335 imaging sensor, delivering exceptional 4K resolution at 3840 by 2160 pixels. The dual camera setup ensures complete coverage, monitoring both the road ahead and behind your vehicle simultaneously. It offers advanced parking mode that keeps your car protected 24/7, automatically activating when motion is detected around your parked vehicle. The Wi-Fi functionality lets you connect to both iOS and Android devices, making it easy to download and share footage instantly. What's particularly impressive is its wide dynamic range technology, which balances exposure perfectly even in challenging lighting conditions. The system includes GPS tracking, recording your exact location and speed data alongside video footage. This information becomes invaluable for insurance claims and legal proceedings. Installation flexibility is another strong point, with the rear camera cable extending 3 to 5 meters for various vehicle types. Number 3. Kocam UHD 4K Dual Lens Dash Cam. This mid-range option combines reliability with advanced features, making it perfect for drivers who want comprehensive protection. The GC4653 imaging sensor delivers crisp 4K recording with 800 megapixels, ensuring every detail is captured clearly. Its dual lens configuration provides simultaneous front and rear recording, giving you complete situational awareness. The built-in 1.47-inch IPS screen allows for immediate footage review without needing your phone. Wi-Fi connectivity through the VDOR app makes file management incredibly convenient, letting you download important clips directly to your smartphone. The 24-hour parking monitoring feature keeps your vehicle protected even when you're away, automatically recording any suspicious activity. Number 2. EACE 4K GPS Wi-Fi Dash Cam. This powerhouse utilizes Sony IMX415 imaging sensor with an impressive 1200 megapixels, delivering stunning 4K video quality that captures even the smallest details. The 170-degree wide-angle lens ensures comprehensive road coverage, while the dual lens system provides both front and rear recording capabilities. Advanced night vision technology makes this camera exceptional in low-light conditions, maintaining clear footage quality during nighttime drives. The external GPS logger tracks your location and speed, providing valuable data for insurance claims and route documentation. What's remarkable is its support for up to 256GB memory cards, offering extended recording time without frequent file management. Number 1. DDPAI Z40 Car Dash Cam. This exceptional device sets the standard for dash camera technology, with its Sony IMX335 sensor delivering crystal clear 2.7K resolution at 2592 by 1944 pixels. The exclusive RealCube image technology provides hyper-realistic color reproduction and superior image quality that surpasses conventional dash cameras. What makes this our top pick is its revolutionary 360-degree rotating rear camera. Unlike traditional fixed cameras, it can be positioned to capture front views, rear views, or even interior shots, providing unmatched versatility. The D-Save dual-channel storage technology ensures your footage is protected even if your memory card fails, giving you peace of mind during critical moments. The supercapacitor power system operates safely in extreme temperatures, unlike lithium batteries that can fail in hot or cold conditions. It continues recording for 3 to 4 seconds even after power loss, capturing those crucial final moments. The elegant 2.0-inch IPS screen provides clear footage preview, while the compact design maintains your windshield's clean appearance. Conclusion: choosing the right dash camera depends on your specific needs and budget. Each of these best car dash cameras offers unique advantages, from the budget-friendly Acceo to our premium top choice, the DDPAI Z40. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more product insights. See you in the next one.